Welcome to this video where I show you what's in the Raspberry Pi 5 starter kit that I bought. I struggled a bit, so beware. Anyways, let's get into the video. I bought a Raspberry Pi 5 starter kit, and today I'll be unboxing it and I'll be talking through how I'm going to be using this. So I've already opened it already, so it's from this brand right here. And I bought it on Amazon. I think I'll put the price on the screen. So, let's get into it. I've already opened this already, the Raspberry Pi 5. I have big hands, so, use that as a good measurement for whatever you see on the screen. Here's the Raspberry Pi 5. It's smaller than I thought it would be, but, I thought it was going to be like, let's say this size right here, but it's actually quite small for my hands anyways. And yeah, you have USB-C and two, normal USB ports. And yeah, normal Raspberry Pi 5. And this thing is quite expensive, the starter kit. Yeah, it's quite expensive, so I don't know what's in it. Again, I know what's in it, but I don't know why it's that expensive. So Raspberry Pi is here. We have the power supply, and we have the micro cables, and what's this? We have one case, active cooler, SD card, and card reader, as you can see. Anyways, that's what that came with the box, and this is warranty, normal stuff. We throw that away, and let's see what's right. So we have a case, and how do we put the Raspberry Pi into this? That'll be interesting. Anyways, here's the case. We have a screwdriver. Okay, we have a screwdriver. We have this. We have an SD card, and we have this is a flash drive. I think so. Yeah, I think it is. I'm not even sure. And we have a cooling fan, or active cooler, whatever. I don't know what it is. There is that. There is also this. Just a charger, or just a power supply. I don't think we need this for now, but you've already seen what's inside. And we have, what do we have here? Two 4K 60p micro cables. So basically just two cables, HDMI, and two HDMI cables basically, that you can connect to from the Raspberry Pi to your screen, So I think this is pretty comprehensive for a Raspberry Pi. I'm wondering why they don't have a, USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, as it comes with a USB-C port. But I guess everyone has one nowadays. If you buy any sort of, electronics. So how do we put the Raspberry Pi into this? Give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, so I opened it, but I'm guessing this thing just like, I meant to force it open, but let me try to put it back and, do it all over again. Because there's no intuitive way to get this open. It's actually crazy. How did I even... Wow, have I broken this? That's insane. Okay. Now what the actual fuck? Oh my days. How do you put this back to where it's... This is insane. You know what? I basically just put it apart, so I don't want to waste too much time. And the Raspberry Pi goes in here. I'm guessing. Wow, this is actually, it doesn't even fit if you're actually looking at it. Like, it doesn't properly fit, or does it? Oh my God, I'm actually struggling with this. Like, it's not intuitive to, like, place it in. Maybe if you just place it in and, yeah, like, as you can see. Oh my. Am I missing something that I should be doing? Yeah, this is okay. I'm actually struggling right here. I'm actually struggling to, because, okay, let's say you put it right here and you screw, like, there are pins and you can screw them into the right places. It comes with a pin. It comes with screws, but again, shit. I don't know how, just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, so that was my bad for confusing you all. It actually, fits in place. Like, the USB ports are actually, in the right spots. You just have to screw them, properly. And there is a bit of space between the bottom of the case and the actual Raspberry, so, for ventilation and heating purposes. And that brings me to the fan, which is just right here, or the cooling sink, or whatever name you call it. And yeah, there is a connector cable here. I think the connection is right here. Just this small. Let me see if you can. Let me zoom in a bit. This, yeah. Look at the mouth right here, and can I connect this on screen, because I can't actually see. Mine's are big, so bear with me. I'll connect it and I'll be right back. Oh, okay. So these are not the ports for the fan. I made a mistake. I was trying to connect it into this, but right here, as you can see, the wrote fan in here, and I guess I'm going to pull this off. So, God damn it! This is actually making my nails, hurt because of this. I guess I should have done this before I screwed it in, but I'll do it off screen again. So, 1 second. All right, so that wasn't too hard if you're not an illiterate like me, honestly. Like, setting up this is very easy if you actually know what you're doing. But since I didn't know what I was doing, I found it, a bit confusing, but it just took me like 5 minutes to figure everything out. And yeah, we have the fan set up, and look at the fan. I think you can screw it into this 2 holes right here, 1 and 2. Yeah, this 2. So once you've connected the fan, as you can see, like, it places right onto the holes for, I think you just need to press it in. I'm not sure how it does. So the hole, if you look at the fan right here, there's a spring. I guess you just push it in. I think I should remove this also. I'm not sure, or maybe not. Yeah, I don't think I should remove this. Again, I'm new at all of this, so I guess you just kind of, and this is for padding, I'm guessing. I'm not really sure. So let me try to just push it in first, if it works. But yep, you just push it in and it latches in place. And let me just push this in also. My hands are so big, that's the thing. Oh shit. Crap. I don't know why I'm struggling so hard, setting this up. Ooh, okay, there we go. Whew, finally. Okay, here it is. Raspberry Pi set up with a fan. And if this works, you should be able to actually close this, which I think I'm not sure how I opened it even earlier, so yikes. But if you want to connect any USB ports in here, you can connect. Sorry, I said USB. Analog input output pins. Here you have it. But again, this was more stressful than I would imagine. But is it expensive for the price? Absolutely. If you don't need the Raspberry Pi, just buy the Raspberry Pi itself. And if you need the case, I don't know if this is what you're looking for, but if it's gonna work, it's actually very portable once you know how to close it, because honestly, I have no idea. I seriously don't. Anyways, most of what you'll be using the Raspberry Pi with, you can be able to do with these 3 ports. And if you actually need to, you open it and you can connect these 3 ports, and you have the Ethernet, and the USB slot here. Let me try to, close this properly off camera, and then I'll be back to do my closing statements. All right, so here we go. You have a Raspberry in here, very portable, and you can carry it with you wherever you go. You just need this screwdriver in case you want to. Maybe you don't. Maybe, because I've not used a Raspberry Pi before, so I don't know what I'm talking about. And you have your SD card and a flash drive, which you can. Wait, what? How are you meant to connect this? Yeah. What is this meant to do? Oh shit. Again, I'm an idiot and I don't know what this thing is for, so. Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you imagine? How am I meant to know? This is insane. Anyways, this is operating system right here, and you can connect something to this, I'm guessing also. So yeah, I think this is pretty handy for me who is just starting. This is what the fan was covered with. So I'm excited to do something with this, whatever that may be, because I actually want to be productive with my electronics. And there's a spot here for the button. How do you even reach that? Look at that. It's a very tight space. I don't know if you're meant to be using the Raspberry Pi with a case anyways, but again, not the easiest, but once you know the ins and outs of it, I guess it's pretty easy. And I don't know what's in here, but I'll be updating you guys. So if you're interested in something like this, leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever that may be. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, because I know it was a bit stressful. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later. This is a card reader, USB Type-C card reader. Basically, you just take your memory card and you slot it in right here. And this goes into your Raspberry Pi. So yeah, I didn't know what it was, honestly. I don't know why it was just so hard for me to figure it out, but yeah, that's what this is.